Hello and welcome to this another video. Today we're covering off ACC. So what is it? ACC is basically a type of insurance. Everyone who works or owns a business in New Zealand pays ACC levies. These levies are paid based on the amount of income you earn. These levies cover injuries that happen at work, at home, on the sports field, or when you're generally speaking just out and about. These levies are separate from income tax or GST, so it's something else that you need to consider when you're looking at starting a business. You're covered as soon as you start your business or working for yourself. The cover is to go towards medical bills, treatment, and loss of income. How is it calculated? There are three things that make up the ACC levy amount that you will pay. They're broken into earners levy, work levy, and WorkSafe levy. So the earners levy is the amount that goes towards accidents. These happen every day. You could be doing DIY at home, you could be at the gym or playing sports. This amount is a flat rate for everyone, which at the moment in 2022 is $1.27 per $100 of wages or profit. The work levy goes towards injuries that happen at work, so they are work related. This is different for every business. So as an example, as an office worker, the work levy would be less per $100 than some of the riskier industries, being fishing and forestry. So that amount is dependent on your industry. To work out what that is, you can look up your BIC code, so BIC code. If you look this up online, there's a massive list of industries, and then you find the one that suits you the most, and it gives you a breakdown of what your work levy would be. The WorkSafe levy is collected on behalf of WorkSafe, and this goes towards supporting WorkSafe activities and injury prevention. This is a flat rate of 0.08, so 8 cents per $100. So all this amount is obviously based on your profit and or payroll. Other options. There are a couple of other options that we can talk about. So we've got Cover Plus Extra. So normal ACC is worked out based on the profit that you've made for the year, the income that you're being allocated for the year. Now when you're first starting out, you might not be able to get up to what you'd consider a normal wage straight away, or you might be in a role that is very seasonal, or you can have some big ups and downs. If you want to have comfort around the exact amount that you are going to be paid out if you have an accident, then Cover Plus Extra is the answer from that point of view. This is one where you can stipulate the amount that you want to be covered for, and as long as it's within IRD's ranges, they will generally speaking sign it off. The difference with this is you need to apply and pay for it in advance. So you can't do it in hindsight. All other ACC is based on what's actually happened. This is very much you're paying it in advance, much like income protection insurance. Income protection insurance being different, so ACC covers off all accidents. Income protection insurance is if you're off for any other reason. So it can be worthwhile having. I'm not an insurance broker, so I'm not going to go into that. But if you're unsure about your levels or what you've got or what you should have, we highly recommend that you reach out to an insurance broker. If you don't know a good one and you want a couple of names, let us know and we will give you some contact details. But it's definitely something worthwhile wrapping your head around what it means and the different adjustments that you can make. When do I build? So for ACC, normal ACC, so not Cover Plus Extra, your bill and your tax return has been filed. So basically, the ACC don't know that you've gone into business, even though you're covered from day one. They don't know you've gone into business until we file that first tax return. When the tax return has been filed, then obviously ACC get an alert, they produce an invoice based on the information they have and they get sent out to you. The first invoice I recommend you reviewing it to make sure you're on the right code and the amounts are right. We will be doing a video on that just to give you an outline of what to look for. These will, generally speaking, be posted to you, but you can log into ACC and update your contact preferences, and put in an email address, and then all future ones will go via email. So in terms of when you build, it's after you have filed your tax return. If you are a PAYE earner, the amount is automatically taken off your wages, and therefore your employer pays for it on your behalf. Look, I hope we cleared up any questions you had around ACC. If we haven't, please drop us a line or a comment, and we will answer if you've got any questions. Like I said, if there's anything specific, we do recommend you reach out to an insurance advisor, as they are able to give more details or recommendations than us. Otherwise, thanks for watching.